Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and your My Eyes on Snapchat is not loading, so let's see how can you easily fix. You have to open up your Snapchat and here simply tap on, or you have to scroll up to open up your memories, and here you have to look for My Eyes Only option. And once you have that, here if you are having the same issue that your My Eyes Only is not loading, so now what you have to do, you must have to open up your profile in the upper left corner, then tap on the settings option, and here you have to select clear data. So you must have to look for the option, then tap on it, then select clear cache files, and here you have to tap on clear. It will clear all of your cache files, then tap on OK, and it will close your Snapchat app. Once you have that, you have to open up your settings. And here, first of all, you have to make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or cellular. And once you have that, you must have to go back and here open up your general, and then you have to scroll down. Look for the VPN and device management. If you're connected to any VPN, you must have to try to disconnect. And once you have that, you have to open up your App Store or Play Store and here search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you have any update available, or if you have any update here you must have to try to update your app. And once you have updated, it might be that your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't, you have to open up your settings again. In settings, open up your general, then open iPhone storage, then scroll down and look for Snapchat, tap on it, then tap on offload app. And once you have that, you have to try to reinstall app, and in this process if there is any bug in your Snapchat app it will be fixed. So after that you can easily find or load your My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.